Hong Kong Park. Look at all these little pandas. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and a big one. They're so cute. Hello, panda. Hello, panda. Panda heaven, hey? Panda heaven. Look at him. Look how big he is. He's a big guy. He's a big guy. He's probably saying Happy New Year, right? I think so. I think so. Wow, this is beautiful.
Obviously, everybody's down here.
Ooh, some big fish saying hello. Hello there. Hello. Lucky koi. Yeah, we've seen some of these birds around the city, especially the blue magpie. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this panda's little coat. Isn't he the cutest? Oop, this one's eating bamboo. Big park. Are you ready? Let's go. And this is the marriage registry. See, you can even get married right there. How perfect is that? Look at this banyan tree. They're all so huge. They're amazing. Continuing on. We made it. That was a long walk. Ooh, a lookout tower. We'll go there later. But this is why we came here. For the aviary. Yeah, we'll go there in a minute. Now we're going up the lookout tower. Are you ready? It's only 105 steps. Here we go. We're getting there. Stopping to check out the view. Oh, that's nice. I wonder what that is. Oh, look at this. What I found. Look at this bird. Actually, two of them. Wild, what are they? Cockatoos? Yeah. Aren't they beautiful in the treetop? We're not even at the aviary. These guys are out. Whoops. Sorry. Hard to balance. We're at the top. There's the aviary down there. And right here is the peak. We're like about halfway there. Hear those guys? Hear them down there? I see them. I see them. They're everywhere in the trees. You guys probably can't see them. Anyway, we're going to the aviary next. Here's the waterfront. Way over here. A full 360 view. Okay, now we're going down to see the birds. Ooh, who do we have here? Look at this big guy. Oh, he's so beautiful. They're all beautiful. Please don't let your kids scream and yell at the birds and stomp their feet to chase them away. Just what just happened to this little guy. Even though there's big signs up, please make your children behave when they come to these places with wildlife. Aren't you two the cutest little ones? I can't keep up. There's birds everywhere. Look at these guys. Oh, a bunch of babies. A bunch of babies. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. So many beautiful birds.
What's that?
Well, this has been a fun afternoon, but now it's time to leave the park.